Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to show you today this GooLoo F3 electric air duster. It's a nice compact little air duster that will replace like a cannon of compressed air. And this thing is quite amazing actually. I already tested it out some. So I'm going to share it with you today. So this is the GooLoo F3 and it does come with 4 different attachments total. And it has a 3-speed brushless motor. And it's rated at 7.4 volt. The battery capacity is an 18.5 watt hour battery. It is built in, it's not replaceable, and it does charge by USB-C port right here. And here's the power button, and then the trigger button to control the fan. So to turn it on, you press the power button, and it has the charge indicator lights by 3 lights here, and you pull the trigger here to start it. This thing is pretty powerful. It does have 3 different speeds to it, which initially when you turn it on and then pull a trigger, it's going to be on the max speed, which is 116 miles per hour. You can select the different speeds by pressing the power button again, which will indicate on this power lights as well, which speed mode you're in. So this is number 2. As soon as you pull the trigger, it'll stay on, so you don't have to continuously press it. You press the power button again, and it goes to speed 1, which is 38 miles per hour. Speed 2 was 67 miles per hour. So it's a very nicely controlled flow of air. So if you have intricate areas you have to get into without blowing everything out of the way, definitely speed 1 would be a great option to use. And press it again to go to the full speed of 116 miles an hour. And you can see the back fan area where it sucks in the air from. It's almost like a little jet motor. So this is nice and compact, fits in the hand nice and easy. It feels evenly balanced and easy to hold onto. The thing that's nice about it is it does sit upright. Where I've seen other models out there, other brands, where it has like a rounded off end to it, so you're forced to lay it down. So you just press and hold the power button to turn it off. And then to switch out the tips, it is an interlock system on the plastic. So you just twist it and undo it. So it does have different nozzles to it. It has like a fan type nozzle, which is nice and wide. And it has these other 2 nozzles as well. Something like these would be great for even like inflating air beds, or just have a more controlled area for the air to come out. And also to give full disclosure that GooLoo did send this out to me to review, but they're not paying me to do a review. So it was just a free product that they sent to me to test out and share with you guys. So here's everything that's included in the box. So you do have the charger cable that's a USB to USB-C that plugs into the unit itself, and then just use a regular USB port or plug to charge it up with. And the thing that's nice about it having a brushless motor is actually pretty good, because anything that's brushed will have a lifespan or limited lifespan compared to brushless motors. And the other advantages of brushless motors is that they are more efficient and powerful compared to brush motors, and they are more expensive to manufacture a brushless motor. So definitely getting great value in this GooLoo F3 electric air duster. And we'll go ahead and weigh it just to give you an idea of how much it does weigh. It's only 7.4 ounces, so it is nice and lightweight and compact. Not bad there, especially for a little powerhouse like this. So one of the primary uses is obviously being able to dust out your keyboard of your computer. So that'd be the main thing, and then obviously anywhere else there's dust, you can certainly use it on. But I don't have much dust here, but I'll just demonstrate here. I can still see some specks here, so we'll see them blow off. So we'll put this to the test outside in different applications. Not necessarily what it's designed for, but just to show you the power that this has. So I made the mistake of having bird seed on my upper deck, upper lanai area, for cardinals to come and eat. Well, it turned out that it actually attracted not only cardinals, but other birds that flocked in dozens, and they decided to attack the bird seed, and so it fell through my upper deck. It went down into my garage here on the garage floor. So I'm going to test this blower out, see how well it does just to get it outside. So I'm going to turn the blower on now. I do have the regular style cone on it, so we'll test it out, see how well it blows. If you can see it all along the bag here, let's blow it out. This little thing is pretty powerful for what it is. Now I'm going to go try it on some bamboo leaf. So as you can see, I have quite a mess of bamboo leaves here. So this is my side yard where I have a ton of bamboo plantings throughout the yard. So I'm going to test this out, see how well it does. And it did rain earlier in the day, so they are wet. So it's going to make it even more harder for this thing to move it around. So we'll see how well it does. I'm going to trade out the nozzles and see how well it improves it. All right, so I put on the longer nozzle now. Let's see how well it does with this. So it does pretty good. Now I'm going to switch it out with that fan wide nozzle and see how well it does. All right, so now I have the wider nozzle in there. You can see how wide it is. It's maybe about an inch or so wide. I say it does pretty well at moving the bamboo leaves. It's pretty impressive for something so small. Obviously it's not designed to be a leaf blower, but I just wanted to give you a sense of the power that it has, which is pretty good. And then here's another pile. I put the regular tip back on because I think this one has the most air coming out of it. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. It's pretty powerful for this small unit. And it's not that loud either. It's pretty impressive. I would definitely recommend picking one up. There's so many different applications you could use this for. And definitely a nice compact unit. You consider like a can of compressed air is probably like $7 to $10. So for the price of this, which I think is currently around $60 for it, and they periodically have sales on them, it'd be definitely worth a pickup just to have a nice portable unit like this that you could recharge. Pretty decent. So I definitely recommend picking one up. I will have the link in the description below to the Amazon affiliate link. It will help support the channel. It won't cost you any more, and I do appreciate that support. So if you gain any value from this video, I would appreciate it if they give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tool review videos like this, as well as DIY tips, tricks, and tool deal videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.